Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Pungunduru. We have been discussing about Europe. In this session, I am going to explain the seasons in Europe. In the last session, what I told you, how many seasons we have? We have primarily three seasons. Summer, winter, and rainy season. But they have four seasons. If you see Europe, Europeans have four seasons. What are they? Winter, okay, spring, summer, autumn. Okay, once again, winter, spring, summer, autumn. These four seasons they have. One by one, I will explain you. Winter. Suppose if you are reading something about seasons, comparison and contrast is very important, isn't it or not? Suppose before going to winter in Europe, in our country, when winter season starts, yourself you imagine, okay na? Then you compare with European winters. Our winters compare with European winters. By that time, these data will help you to remember forever. In our country also, in the month of November, in the month of December and January, February, these 4 months, heavy cold conditions prevailed. Especially interior India has high, that means low temperatures recording. Okay, na? But there also in European countries also, winter starts November. That means winter approaches in the month of November. So by that time, in the month of November, little bit chilly conditions prevailed everywhere in Europe. Okay, na? Then so snow begins to fall in that time. So generally in our country, it is not possible to see snowfall. But if you go European countries, there snow is falling. So November month, snow also falls on the ground. So sun rises very late in the day, about 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock sun rises. Okay na? In our country by 6:30 sun rises. Sun sets by 5:30, 6 o'clock. But there sun rises, especially I am talking about in the month of November, sun rises 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, then sun sets by 4 o'clock. It's quite so surprising by listening these sun rising and sun setting. So if you compare these sun rising and sunset with our country, some surprises we will have, isn't it or not? We don't have such a so sun rises and sun sets, isn't it or not? By 6 o'clock sun rises, we are able to see the sun. Then by 5:30 or 6, then sun disappears, sun sets, then moon appears, isn't it or not? Then especially the overcast sky makes it even darker. Now 4 o'clock, so it's bit darker in Europe. Okay, now 4 o'clock we have very shiny, isn't it or not? So especially if you go France before November trees have broad leaves. Then especially in the month of November, these big broad leaf trees shed their leaves completely and barely stand. These trees which are in France. Okay, na? So this is all about winter season in Europe. Winter season starts in the month of November. Okay, na? So sun rises by 9 to 10 o'clock, then sun sets by 4 o'clock. Then if you go spring starts in the month of March, where in Europe. So again landscape changes. Okay, now landscape changes in Europe. March comes, the days get longer and new shoots appear on trees. So before that, the trees shed their leaves, new shoots come forth. Then we are able to see fresh green leaves appear and colorful flowers blooms everywhere in Europe. So by that, especially in the month of March, after March, especially in the spring season, fresh green leaves come forth and flowers blooms. Especially flowers also appears to trees. Where in Europe. The fields are plowing, especially plowed in the in the season spring. Okay, now sowing also starts in that period only. When spring period, they start sowing. Okay, now growing seeds. That means sowing seeds. Okay, then so especially for Europeans, rye, barley, corn, sugar, wheat, and oats are the principal crops. What are the principal crops for Europeans? Rye, barley, corn, sugar beet, and oats are the principal crops. Which especially which season they are sowing? So spring season they are sowing. Okay, so that means agricultural operations began in the month of spring, in the month of March. That means the spring season they about to start the agricultural operations. Principal crops of the Europeans also just now I explained. Summer season is the very important season for Europeans. For us, the summer season, so highly temperatures are recording, so unbearable heat we are bearing in the summer season. For them, summer is the best season. So from June to August, they have summer season. Summer season starts in the month of June up to August. They have summer season. So when compared to our, especially in summer season, we have no rainfall at all. But they have little bit rains are falling even summer season. So it does not rain so much, and there is more sunshine. The days are longer in summer. European days are longer in summer season. How, sir? How you will tell, sir? Suppose then early by 4 o'clock sun rises, then by night by 10 o'clock up to 10 o'clock sun, okay now, so rises. Sun sets starts after 10. Night 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock sun sets. Where in European? When? In summer season. Okay now, very very important. The sun rises early as 4 o'clock in the morning, sets after 8 o'clock in the evening, or else 10 o'clock in the evening. Okay now, so if you see especially northern countries like Sweden, they have no, okay now, especially sunsets, they have no sunset up to morning to up to night. So long night, long mornings are continuous. Okay now, longer days are continuous. So that Norway, Sweden, these countries generally called as land of midnight sun. Okay now, land of midnight sun. Northern countries like Sweden, the sun does not set all. That means sun rises. Okay now, so there is no nights. So that these countries are called as, northern countries are called as land of midnight sun. Especially Norway, Sweden are called as land of midnight sun. That means in the midnight we are able to see the sun. In our country, is it possible to see the sun in the midnight? Not at all. Okay, 100% it is not possible to see the sun in the midnight in our country, in Asia. But if you go Europe, especially in the northern Europe, 24 hours sun rises. Okay, na? 24 hours sun rises in the summer season. Very, very important. Remember that one. Okay, na? So, even though in the summers they don't have much hotter conditions, temperatures are very less. Okay na, why temperatures are very less in the summer? Okay, especially what happens, summer time, then snow begins to melt. Okay, then these rivers are flowing, canals are flowing, transportation takes place, especially in the summer season. Okay now, so summer is very important for them. Summer season, even though for them summer season temperatures are very low. Why? Because the sun does not rise, okay na, in the, okay, overhead. The sun does not rise in the overhead. So sun, okay, settles in the horizon. Settles in the horizon in the sense what? Tell me, anybody? Yes, if you see somewhere else, we are feeling, predicting sun and sky is meeting. Okay na? Seemingly that is sun and sky is meeting. That is called horizon. In that place, sun settles. Okay na? So sorry, especially the sky and land look like meeting. These two are meeting. That is called horizon. Okay, there sun settles so that sunrises are slightly falling in Europe. Understood? Once again, I will tell you. Suppose if you see far away, what you will feel? Some extent sky meeting. Okay, now sky meets the land area, but so actually it is not meeting. Sky and land does not meet at all, isn't it or not? Okay, now so seemingly sky and earth meets. That is called horizon. So there sun settles so that sunrises are falling slantly. So that for them in summer also temperatures are very low. Okay, na? In summer if you see, so the sun rises over overhead position so that the temperatures are very high in our country. Okay, so this is about summer season, especially summer in the season agriculture operations. Okay, already in the month of March, little bit operation they start. Full agricultural operation starts in the summer. Okay, now then especially crops mature in the summer season. They especially end of the summer season, so harvest also they will get it. Okay, now crops mature in this season. There is no need for irrigation. Suppose we need irrigation facilities. Okay, now so for them no need irrigation facilities. Why? Now and then rains are falling. These rains are enough for growing crops. Okay, now Europeans point of view. Okay, crops at the end of the summer, the crops are ready to be harvested. European countries cultivation is possible only for 6 to 7 months. For them, agricultural operations possible for 6 to 7 months. For us, nearly 10 months we are continuing agricultural operations in the Rabi season and the okay na, especially Rabi and Kharif season we are doing the agricultural operations. Rabi season in the sense in the winter, Kharif season in the sense especially okay in the month of June, July, August, September, October, that is Kharif period, isn't it or not? So for us 10 months agricultural operations take place. For them 6 to 7 months for them agricultural operations take place. Autumn. Then once again climate changes takes place. Climatic conditions changes in the month of September and October in Europe. When so autumn starts by that time. Tree leaves turn red and yellow. These tree leaves completely okay now fall down, isn't it or not? Then agricultural operations are wounded up. They will finish agricultural operations before autumn. Especially they will cut the grass in the sense hay. Then they will dried up these grass in the fields. Then these grass, especially they feed their cows and buffaloes in winter time. Especially in the autumn, they will pluck the grapes. So they after by using these grapes and jams, then they will prepare some cold drinks. Such a manner, this autumn is also very important for Europeans. Okay, na? So this is all about seasons in Europe. So especially first, I explained you about winter in Europe. After that, I explained you spring in Europe. After that, summer in Europe. After that, autumn in Europe. Okay, which countries are called as land of midnight sun? Yes, Norway, Sweden, these two countries are called land of midnight sun. Why? Because summer season for them longer days. Longer days. Sun rises in the early hours 4 o'clock, then sets after 8 o'clock, after night 8. Okay, na? Especially in the northern Europe, okay, then longer days we are able to observe. So that those countries are called as land of midnight sun. Agricultural operations fully starts up in the month of summer. What are the principal crops for Europeans? Rye, barley, corn, sugar, wheat and oats. These are the principal crops for Europeans. When Europeans wounding up their agricultural operations in the beginning of the autumn, they wounding up the agricultural operations. Okay, na? This is all about the seasons in Europe. I hope everybody understood. Okay, thank you.